Well, everybody, welcome back once again to JJ's PC Build. You know it is JJ with you once again. If you're first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do, helping support the channel. Today, this is a video I really didn't think I should have made, but I'm going to make it anyway, so that way it lets all my subscribers and everybody know that if you got this certain items, that, you know, they got a recall out on it. This has been going out for the last couple weeks, and y'all are wondering what I'm talking about. Well, it's called Cable Mod. Those 90-degree connectors for the 12-volt high-powered connectors for your 4090, 4080, 4080 Super, those. Not the 8-pin. Don't do yourself a favor. Do not cut the 8-pin and try to send it back to Cable Mods. They don't want that. But, if you got one of those 12-volt high-powered 90-degree adapters from Cable Mod, then they're doing a return policy. You can go up on their website, which we're going to do, and we're going to take an adventure there. So we are going to go to the action screen, and we're going to see what's cooking. So let's head up on there and see what's going on. Alrighty, now we're back on the action screen. Let's go ahead and pull up DuckDuckGo. There we go. We pulled up DuckDuckGo for you. Let's go to Cable Mods. And let's see if we can find it. Oh my God, my eyes are really getting bad. I'm going to need new glasses, y'all. I'm going to definitely need new glasses. Okay. See, this is where you got to be careful, because when they got so many of these, you don't know if they're the real deal. This is where you got to be really careful. This is the reason why I go back and forth until I make sure I got the right one. Okay. So right here, it's a voluntary recall of what they got cooking. So make sure you dial into them. This says what we're doing for our customers. They said we're offering customers the choice of either a full refund or a $60 store credit to be used for any non-customized products that we sell. Ooh. With free standard shipping. You'll receive a full refund or a store credit for each angled adapter that you purchased. Like it's one of these up here. So remember, it's only Cable Mod. It has nothing to do with Amazon. I just want to get this point out clear. It has nothing to do with any of the, the ones on Amazon. It's only ones that deal with Cable Mod. So if you got them from Cable Mod, you got the purchase receipt from Cable Mod, you're good as gold. So one other type of remedy can be selected for this recall, either all refund or all store credit. You must have PayPal account if you elect to receive a refund. So there you go. And then they got how to remove the angled adapter. And right down here, they got a video on how to get your refund and store credit or whatever. And then you can go down, you can submit an email and a phone number or however you got to do it. So that's what they're going by right now. So, and this says Cable Mod 12 volt high power angled adapters version 1.0 and version 1.1, 90 degrees and 180 degrees, variant A and B. So this is very clear, just very clear, so y'all understand. This is what's going to be cooking. So now let's go back to the main screen. There we go. Okay. So I just wanted to get this out real quick to y'all so that way you understand. Now, Cable Mod was the one that submitted the recall. It was not done by the government or anything else. It was Cable Mod that submitted this recall. Is because they want to make sure that the customer is 100% happy and is not stuck in that boat to where, you can burn up your GPU. They don't want you to burn up your GPU or burn up your power supply and so on and so forth. So they're doing this recall. They're like, get in contact with them. They'll set you up and get you all squared away. It's either you want a store credit or you want a refund. You want a refund, make sure you got a PayPal, and then they can refund it back through PayPal. So, but I just want to make that clear. Do not think Cable Mod's a bad store. They're actually a great store because they got many of things. And they're not paying me to say this. I'm saying this for my viewers and my subscribers so they understand that this came about. So if they got, a Cable Mod, the 12 volt high power connector, the 90 degree connector or the 180, I'm letting you know that this happened and this is what's going on. So do not think Cable Mod is a bad company. They're a great company. They still got, let's see, they got different cables and stuff you can go look for. Their cables are not bad. Okay, I've seen a couple that I did like, that I probably want to put a little bit of color into my PC when time in the future. But just to let you know, they did not pay me to say this. This is solely on my own to let, again, my subscribers and my viewers so they understand that this is happening. But don't discredit this company. At least they stepped up to the plate to say, hey, we're going to take it back. And I'm sure if you got a GPU that was damaged by those connectors, then I'm sure you can get a hold of Cable Mod and tell them, look, my GPU was damaged by this. What can I do to get this resolved? And I'm sure they will help you get it resolved. They have with many. They put out a lot of money to get these connectors back. So I give the company credit and kudos to you, Cable Mods. So, but anyway, I just wanted to let you know what's cooking up there. So y'all don't think that I'm not paying attention, which I am. So, but I figured I'd let you know. And yes, this is the end of the video. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds and my veteran subscribers. As always, much love to you for all that you do, helping support the channel, watching videos from beginning to end, and then telling your friends to come on down here to our channel and subscribe and watch videos from beginning to end. Help support the channel, no doubt. But until the next time in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.